What's up, guys? It is me, Cambria.
Me, Madeline.
From the Cambria and Madeline Show. Today we are doing our first ever fidget trading video.
Yes.
So let's get into the video. Anyway, so yeah. Come on. Madeline, come on. Oh, since you only have like a few fidgets, we make it fair. Okay.
Cambria,
What?
I really want this. It's
Okay.
adorable.
You get that. I'll take it.
Look at my hand.
Honk, honk.
Honk, honk.
Okay, let's do this. So,
When
so
you
here's
make
my
my
fidget. Yours. Wait, no. Yours. Mine.
I want to lose it.
Yours. Mine. Yours.
It's kind of
Mine.
These are mine.
Yours. Mine. So let's get into the video. Oh, and before we start, guys, Rocky came. So,
Finally.
yeah. So here's the letter he wrote. Can you stop? Hi, what's up? My name's Rocky. I just rolled into town. Let's rock and roll together. Adam and Justin send a big thanks for all your love and support. Fans like you make it all possible. Love, Rocky.
Hey, both of you take stick.
So yeah, let's get into the video.
Yeah.
Alright.
Come on, Max, you're happy for me, but you have two girls.
Actually, Rocky's a boy.
Okay.
I'm fine with it as long as they're friends. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay? Oh, and whoa, wait. Before we start the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, the subscribe button with your pinky. If you can do that in 5 seconds, I'll give a shout out to some people who don't have many subscribers. I'm just gonna browse through YouTube. So yeah, that's really
Yeah, when we get so
into
famous, we
the
will.
video. I don't.
Where's my bits?
Oh, and guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did it, you're a mega fan. So yeah, let's actually get into the video. Ow! Ouch!
Oh my god.
Okay, come on, let's get into fidget trading.
I bombed you in the head.
I know. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, come on. We aren't trying to be funny. We're trying to film.
I know.
Trading this weird fidget thingy. Going once, going up twice, going 3 times.
Me.
What?
This.
Add.
Willie.
Yes. Add one more thing and I'll accept. Accept.
I always wanted one of these. Uh-oh.
No, I didn't. I liked that trade. See, yeah. Man, you say like trading and then you hold up one of your fidgets.
Okay. Trading.
No, say trading Rubik's Cube then.
King Rubik's Cube.
Me. I want to offer. Okay. This putty and this mochi.
More.
This Rubik's Cube.
One more, and then it will be fine.
Slinky.
Now I wanted that.
Huh?
No, you don't have to ask.
Accept.
It's a scam, haha.
No, you can't scam
Oh, yeah, I
this
forgot.
video.
Can I try to? Can I do what?
No, it's hard to open.
Can I just try?
No.
Okay.
Trading Poppet. Going once. Going twice. Going 3 times. Really? No offers?
Me.
Oh, what's your offer, honey bun?
So I'm gonna add this weird one and this putty and this.
Add one more thing.
Really?
Yes.
This.
Let me think about it. Can you replace the Slinky?
Yes. Is this fine?
Add something else instead of the Slinky, please.
This cloud. Wait, come on back.
Yeah. Kind of his shape. Oh, fine. I'll accept.
I am gonna take.
Trading Unicorn Squishy. Going once. Going twice. Going 3 times. Really? No offers?
Me.
What's your offer? Add one more. Accept. Now you say trading. Not say like trading and then say the name of it. This is a Poppet, that's a Squishy.
Trading with Squishy, a unicorn Squishy.
Oh, me, please. Okay, I'll add these 2 mochis.
More.
This Rubik's Cube, this mini Rubik's Cube, and this big Rubik's Cube.
One more.
This putty.
Yes.
Cool trade. Now you say trading and then say the name of it. Rubik's Cube, putty, Poppet, and those are mochis.
I'm trading with loud mochi.
Me, please.
Okay.
I'll add this weird spiky ball thing.
Except.
Ooh, good deal. Even though I might be a bit over. Okay, we're just gonna both of us do one more and.
Wait, watch this away. After the game.
Oh. Okay, we're both gonna do one more trade and then we're gonna end the video, guys.
Wait, how much time is it?
7 minutes.
Okay. I can.
So, did you just like say like trading something?
Yeah.
Oh,
Remember
it's
that.
my turn. Trading this mini Squishy going once, going twice, going 3 times. Really? No one wants to offer?
Me.
Oh, what's your offer?
This.
Accept.
Oh, good deal.
Okay, now you say it and then we're gonna end the video.
Trading. Mini Rubik's Cube. Trading mini Rubik's Cube.
Me, please.
What? And I'm upgrading.
This one, please. So yeah, we're gonna say bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.